This is my meal. This is the light salad and mini quesadilla. Very, very tasty. My oldest buffalo chicken sandwich is already gone. As he put it, it was a meal you just could not put it down. Is that correct?
Mm-hmm.
That is correct. That is the Just Basic burger, and that is banana ketchup. Can you describe the flavor of the banana ketchup?
Sweet.
It's a sweet flavored ketchup. So something very different that you can order special. They also offer sweet potato and guava fries if you want them. And this is the shepherd's pie that my wife is having. Valerie, you really like the spiciness in this pie. And she's not going to talk with a mouthful. And this is, of course, my meal here, which is a lighter meal because I was reviewing a breakfast place earlier today, too. But I'll tell you, Happy Jack's, North Main Street, Leominster, right off of Route 2. Take the Route 12 exit. Take the Fitchburg side of the exit, by the way, because you're going to be heading towards Fitchburg. This is the Fitchburg-Leominster border. That's 770 North Main Street, I believe. So come on down, check out Happy Jack's. You will be glad you did. Again, that's Happy Jack's. I'm sorry, that's 785 North Main Street. 785 North Main Street, Leominster.